Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we completed the Guides tab and explained how guide bookings are managed inside the reservation file. In this video, we'll move to the Clients tab, where we manage passenger information linked to the reservation file. The Clients tab is divided into two main sections: Rooming List and Manifest. Each section serves a different operational purpose, and both can exchange data with each other when required. Let's start with the rooming list. The rooming list is used to manage hotel room allocation for each client. It defines how guests are distributed across rooms and links client names to room types, room numbers, and hotel stays. There are two ways to enter the rooming list. The first way is manual entry. Make sure the rooming list option is selected. Click the green plus button and start adding clients one by one, assigning room types, room numbers, and hotel stays. This method is useful for small groups or last-minute changes. The second, and most common, way is importing the rooming list from Excel. Click on Import Copy. Open the Excel file received from the client or agent. Copy the full rooming list table and paste it into the import field. Click Upload Table. The system will ask you to map the columns. Match each Excel column to the correct system field. Click on Next to exclude the first row if it contains column titles. Select the correct date format that matches the format of the dates in the Excel. Once everything looks correct, click Import. The rooming list is now imported quickly and effortlessly. In the Notes field, you can enter general notes that will appear on the rooming list voucher. To generate the rooming list document, click on the Rooming List option. A dialog box will appear. Here, you can choose whether to generate a preliminary rooming list or a final rooming list. You can also select which hotel the rooming list will be sent to, for example, Kempinski Hotel Amman. You can control what appears on the rooming list, such as special rates, guide information, and more. Once ready, click Preview to generate the rooming list document. You can also import client names directly from the manifest if the manifest was entered first. Another useful option is Evaluation Form. This generates evaluation forms based on the rooming list. You can choose one evaluation form per client with the client name printed. 1. A single evaluation form for the entire group without client names. Evaluation forms cover services such as hotels, restaurants, guides, transportation, and meet and assist. We also have Resort Rooms. This option is used when room numbers are not sequential. For example, if room numbers are 1, 2, and 4, and room 3 is missing. Clicking Resort Rooms will reorder the room numbers. Fill any missing numbers. Ensure continuous numbering. This action updates only the room number field and does not change client names, room types, or any other data. Now let's move to the manifest. The manifest is used to manage passenger information and generate the official manifest document. It is commonly used for hotel coordination and for generating rooming list documents. Just like the rooming list, you can enter the manifest in two ways. You can add passengers manually or import them from Excel using the same import process. Click Import Copy. Paste the Excel data. Upload the table. Map the columns. Click Next. Exclude the header row. Set the date format. Then click Import. To generate the manifest document, click on the Manifest option. Enter the vehicle information, for example, plate number 50-12345. Enter the driver information, for example, George. Enter the representative name, for example, Ali. You can choose to enable Arabic layout to generate the manifest in Arabic, or disable it to generate the manifest in English. Click Save, then click Preview to generate the manifest document. This completes the Clients tab, including Rooming List and Manifest. In the next video, we'll continue with the Entrances tab. Thanks for watching, and let's continue.